new to Silhouette's line of cutters is a powered tool known as the heat pen, which is designed for the direct application of heat transfer foils with your machine. But how exactly does it work, and why would you consider using it? If you haven't yet noticed on your Cameo 5, Portrait 4, or Curio 2, they now have a powered tool holder. This is for using Silhouette's new power tools, all intended to bring more material and customization options to these machines. One of these tools is the heat pen, which comes in two tip sizes, 1mm and 2.5mm. This special tip is designed to draw its power directly from the machine in order to get very hot. Once the heat pen is at temperature, you could use it to etch your special heat transfer foil onto select project surfaces like cardstock and faux leather. This serves as a more compact and precise alternative to applying heat transfer foils through a heat press or iron, and perhaps more ideal for surfaces that might be more heat sensitive and can't accept a full press. Through Silhouette Studio, the heat pen will be ready to apply detailed shapes and text with a set of embossing textures to your preference. I love using it with the Curio 2, which has automatic height detection and a stationary working area. This gives my heat pen much more versatility and hassle-free operation with thicker surfaces like a faux leather wallet or ring box. If you're ready to start using your new Silhouette machine to do more than just cutting, the heat pen is the perfect tool to help you take your creativity to new heights. Let me know in the comments what you plan on customizing with the heat pen. You can find our full selection of Silhouette products and other heat transfer and cutting equipment at heatpressstation.com.